So this is my page. In my page, I have to schedule my post on my Facebook page only. I'm discuss only for not in profile, not in groups. I'm scheduled post for where? My Facebook page. First of all, select your website. You can select anyone. Just open in this option called news. You're selecting for option call is here. Just select it. Okay. Now first of all here, just copy this URL. Go to your Facebook page. So automatically they fetching your information along with the image here. Image and everything. Now copy this content. You can post here with the hashtag. Always remember you can post always with the hashtag. Now here school. So you can using for this hashtags here. This is a content. Select here. Copy this. Paste here. Now here add this. It's clear. Now just here. I'll copy this here. Yes or no? Just remove this. Now come to here. In this one, we have the option for newsfeed and your page story. So I'm not adding for page story. I'm going to where newsfeed. Now click for share now. Before share now, what is my place here? Kugarpalli. But I'm going to which one? Schedule my post. Yes or no? Schedule my post. Before that, select this option here. Check in. I can target my post where? Kugarpalli. See here. Yes or no? See this one. So my target is schedule my post. So right now my time will be 8:19 p.m. I can schedule my post will be the accepted after 10 minutes. The post will be accepted up to 6 months. Facebook schedule post will be once start with your after 10 minutes to up to 6 months of time. In this here, simple option, nothing will be there. Post option. In this call now schedule backdate save draft. Click for schedule. See here after 8:30. Now will be 8:20 will be going on. Now will be after 8:30 up to see this one. 1 month, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, last one. Up to 14th. Total will display for 16 months. So my post will be today after 8:30 p.m. Click for schedule. Is it clear? The post will be scheduled here. Click for schedule post. Previous share now. Now showing for schedule post. Now this one. Your post will be scheduled. How we will check? And check by here. The post will be done by exactly 8:30 p.m. So we can post schedule by the not limit. We can post for n number of schedules. 10, 20, 30, 40 per day, your wish. No limit for schedule on your post on Facebook page. But up to schedule on how many months? 6 months. After 6 months, we can't schedule your post. This is called schedule on post on your Facebook page.